Running a business all by yourself, but still need legal protection for your company? That's where OPC, one person company, comes in. Joining us today is Nupun Jain, who will help us understand how to register your OPC in India.
Are you building a business or running a business all by yourself? But you need a structure which provides you legal protection. Here is a solution. It's called OPC. OPC is nothing but one person company. It's a perfect company structure for solo entrepreneurs where you need full control, you need limited liability, and you need a structure which makes it completely formal. So, step one, get your DSC. So, as a part of the process, all your directors will need a document or a proof called digital signature certificate, something again popularly known as DSC. That's nothing but like a digital identity to all your directors. The process is simple. There are companies like eMudra, Sifi, which very easily and quickly provides you a DSC, and mostly that DSC is valid for 1 or 2 years. And do remember, as a part of OPC process, you will have to have a nominee, and that nominee also requires a DSC as a part of the process. Step 2, you have to reserve your company name. So before you decide a company name, I will highly advise you to actually go through the current Ministry of Corporate Affairs database and also check out trademark repository before knowing that okay, what name already exists and what can be a possible name for your company. Once you know the name, the process is very simple. You have to choose 2 minimum names to apply, and you have to fill in a form called Spice plus Part A and again apply on Ministry of Corporate Affairs website. If your name is right and if your name is unique, you will soon get a notification from the ministry about the approval of the name. Step number 3, you have to now draft the key documents. Those documents include Memorandum of Association, called also MOA. So this document actually defines the whys of your company and what will your company primarily be doing. The second document is Article of Association, again called as AOA. This will define how will your company will operate. So third, you will need to also prepare a form called INC3. That's nothing but consent from your nominee to act as a nominee. As a final step, you have to finally fill the Spice plus Part B form. This form will help you file applications for director identification number, PAN and TAN, and your company incorporation. And do remember, this form also gives you a feature where you can apply for your EPFO, ESIC, and professional tax along with the same application. But of course, there are some disclaimers and there are some provisions which are restricted to specific states. So do consult a CA or an expert before you are filing for the final application. So once successfully submitted and verified, the ROC will finally issue you a certificate of incorporation. And congratulations, your company is incorporated. I'm sure the process might sound very tedious, but if done via an expert, the process is very simple and you just have to follow a step-by-step guide. So while I end, I want to tell you again that Razorpay Rise has been helping thousands of founders every month with their company registration process. So if you wish to know more about company registration space, do check out our other Razorpay Rise blogs and other videos on our YouTube channel. And whenever you wish to start a company, do remember Razorpay Rise is here to help.